Okay, that is my We the People, my 2017 We the People Nova, and I'm just going to do a little checkup on it, show you how it's doing, and I have only one change, and that is these red ODI grips, and I'm trying to get some subscribers, get some likes, and all that. Here's like I'm going to show you everything step by step. I have my bolt-on pegs. Here's black, my forks, We the People forks, We the People handlebars, ODI grips, my brake leveler, my ODI headset, and my little chrome stem right there, my chrome front hub, got a 3-piece crank, 25 on my sprocket. It's 25 in the front, 9 on the back. I do not have a free coaster, I have a cassette. Here's my other bolt-on peg. I don't really have any pegs on this side. I have a weird seat, just some pedals, I forgot what they're called. They're like ECLAT or something like that, something weird. I'm not really sure. I hope you enjoy. I'm trying to get some subscribers, and thanks for watching, and peace.